Just want to do a quick review on this PLA. I have the Bambu Labs P2S with the AMS system in it. This is the Sunlu Matte White. Comes in a pack of 4. I actually used it to print a bunch of smaller figurines. I used all 3 spools. This is my last spool. Every one of them printed awesome. Really, really good. Let me actually show you. This is the figurine. Really nice statue of Jesus. Just really, really good. I mean, you can see, it's hard to see in here, but nice matte color. Layers are great. No delamination, nothing like that. If you're looking for something that'll work in this AMS, that's a decent price that you can get from Amazon. I have other spools. Some are from Bambu Labs, some are not, but this Sunlu stuff seems to work really well, and because it's on Amazon, I'll probably continue to buy it because it's an easy purchase. So highly recommended.